Hi students, I am Deepak Bhabur from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabwa. I welcome you to this class once again. The students of 10th class, we are going to study today a lesson. That is fourth lesson. And the name of the lesson is The 100 Races 1. It is written by Eleanor Estates. Dear students, you can see the girls. This lesson is divided into two parts. Of course, the first part we are going to deal with today, and the second part we will deal later on. So you can see the girl is sitting aside and the other girls are also there. This is the same girl here because these girls are playing a joke at her. The concept of this lesson we are going to study today. So let us go through the introduction part. It says the 100 races. 100 races 1. Okay, this is not I. This 100 races 1 hyphen is left out there. Is about a girl named Wanda who claims to have 100 races. This girl, first and foremost, I would like to ask you questions. Dear students, we too have tendency or attitude to hide our background. In order to hide our background, caste, custom, religion, we sometimes exaggerate or we sometimes boast about the things which we are not having at home, or we have no background, such as we try to describe. Why? Because we sometimes have fear of losing our friendships or losing the time we are enjoying. Here this girl also tries to hide her background, but why she does so, we will study and understand. This says her classmates made fun of her because what she claims is in contradiction to the fact that she was always seen wearing the same dress. We know she comes from a poor family, poor background. She cannot afford the dresses, many dresses, and she happens to wear the same dress every day to school. Observing this type of figure or this type of situation, other children, other girls, they start playing fun at her. Her classmates found her name to be funny because the name she has got, like Wanda Petronsky. This is the name of that girl, poor girl. Her name was different because she was a Polish immigrant. Polish immigrant means the girl came from Poland, immigrant girl, or she migrated from Poland to America. Came to an America town with her family. She was poor and did not have many friends. At this stage, she was, of course, poor and she did not have many friends. She was quiet and was always seen sitting in the corner of the classroom. Why? Because she has fear. She was afraid of other students. Because of that, she used to sit in the corner of the room. The truth about the 100 races unveiled. 100 races unveiled means the truth was disclosed at the end of the story. Dear students, a student comes from awkward area, or we can say the tribal area. When he first attends class and he found many students from a city area, he would have certainly a type of fear that how will he mingle with others, then talk to others, make conversation, In terms of language, he is not perfect. In terms of pronunciation, he is not perfect. In such cases, we too have certain fear and we find difficulty to adjust with other students. So this poor girl is finding lot of difficulty to adjust with other girls. They were the same 100 races and she used to talk about, see, when she submitted her 100 races in a drawing contest, where there was a drawing contest held, and when drawing contest completed or got over, the result was announced and there the 100 races was disclosed. How we will try to know? All of them were immensely beautiful. Okay, let's get into the characters. About the characters, Wanda Petronsky, a poor Polish girl with a funny name, who wears same blue dress always and boast of having 100 races. She did not have 100 races at home, but she has the tendency, she has the attitude to boast. Boast why? She wants to she wants to convince others that she is having 100 races. Do not play joke at me, I am having. Peggy always teases Wanda, creates a game to ask Wanda. Peggy has a tendency, attitude to play jokes, and she can create any joke for anyone. One about races, different from others, and never mind, Wanda cry by teasing. The most popular, the pretty girl in the school. She is the most popular pretty girl in the school. She is intelligent also. Medai always teases Wanda, a very close friend of Peggy, a poor girl but never boasts like Wanda. Medai is a poor girl. Okay. Miss Mason, Wanda's class teacher, who helps the student and supports them. Let's see the character, this one, author. Name of the author is Il Boser-Ister. He was born on 9th May 1906, West Haven, Connecticut, United States. Died 15th July 1988, Hamden, Connecticut, United States. Awards: John Newbery Medal. Education: Pratt Institute School of Information, West Haven High School, Pratt Institute. This is a place where he or she is educated. Main points of the chapter. Let us go through the main points of the chapter. It says Wanda Petronsky and her classroom. Now let us get into the situation. Wanda is there and classroom is there. We know many students are there in the classroom, maybe around 25 or 30 students. Among them, Wanda is there. Wanda was absent, but nobody noticed such day, or on this particular day she was absent, but nobody noticed her that she was absent. She did not have too many friends in the class because she was a very shy and quiet girl. This quality she has, shy and quiet girl. She has a sense of shyness, and also she is a quiet girl. She doesn't talk to anyone. She comes to the classroom to attend it and leaves the class easily. She always preferred to sit in the corner. There was a favorite place for her in the classroom. She prefers to sit in the corner of the classroom, and she came from Bogins Heights. That means a very big mountains. She comes from behind the mountains where poor people lived. This place is occupied by poor people. Her parents were Polish who left Poland to settle down in America. The parents, they came from Poland. They left Poland and settled down in America. So she was there, and that village was known as a poor people village. Thinking of classmates and about Wanda, see, the students, her classmates thought of her only when she came out of the class and waited to tease her, but she was absent. Students, other girls, they were clever, they were intelligent, and they were always looking for a chance. They were always waiting for a chance to play jokes at her. But at that particular day, on that particular day, she was absent. Wanda did not come to school on Tuesday, and Tuesday, she did not come to school. Sorry. Peggy and Madai. Now, these two girls, they used to wait outside. For the poor girl Wanda. These two girls were close friends. Let us study about two girls, how their relationship, their behavior to each other. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. No doubt she was most popular girl. She was intelligent. She has the capacity to create any type of jokes and games for anyone. She was pretty and intelligent. Medai, at the same time, or on the other hand, Medai, her friend, was a poor girl. She was a poor girl, but she was rich. She was a rich girl, and this Medai was poor. They always teased Wanda. Both of them had planning to tease Wanda. Means they were looking chances, or they were waiting for the chances to play joke at Wanda. She couldn't do anything, or she could not do anything when somebody plays joke at her. They stayed after the school to mock Wanda, but they noticed that she was absent. See, on this particular day, on Tuesday, she was absent. But these two girls, they were waiting for Wanda to play joke. On that day, she was not there in the classroom. The third point says, girls made fun of Wanda. After being teased by other girls, Wanda lied of having 100 races. Why did she lie? She wants to make friendship, or she does not want to reveal her poor background. Many questions we can ask here, dear students. She lied here because she wanted to hide her background, or she does not want others to know that how or which type of situation she goes through, or which type of background she comes from. 60 pairs of shoes in her closet. This is also, she said. She has 100 dresses as well as 60 pairs of shoes in her closet. This lie because a game for others, and everybody in the class wanted her describe her dresses for them every day. Now the other students, they took advantage of her this type of attitude, and they started playing joke. They started shouting and howling, taking the names of 100 races. Peggy and Medai derived pleasure in her discomfort. Means they were the reason, they were the cause of the sadness of this girl, these two girls. Dear students, more of Peggy. Let us also know about Peggy, something more. Peggy, the most popular girl of school, was very pretty, and she always teased Wanda, but she was not cruel. One thing was very clear, that she was not a cruel, she was kind girl. She has the attitude to play joke at others, but she did not take revenge, or she did not have such attitude to go after somebody's teasing all the time. She never behaved cruelly with anyone, not even with animals. This is what goodness she has. She has good attitude, or we can say she has something good, that she did not want to hurt even animals also, or she did not want to hurt anybody. But yes, she does clearly whatever just she wanted to have enjoy, or she wanted to play joke at others. If somebody asked her, she always said that Wanda was not an ordinary person, but wanted her to describe the 100 races. See, dear student, from this point onwards, try to understand if it is said, if somebody asked her, she always said. Somebody asked her, it means somebody asked her, how many dresses, or why do you wear the same clothes, same frock every day? So she used to describe 100 races. That Wanda was not an ordinary person, but wanted her to describe the 100 races. More of Medai, more of Peggy we understood. Now let us see Medai. She a poor girl. She was a poor girl, was a very close friend of Peggy. She felt bad for Wanda. Yes, this girl, Medai, was with a kind heart. She felt bad for Wanda, as everybody teased her. When she when she saw that everybody is teasing her, she felt bad. That means she has some feeling, some positive feeling towards Wanda. She wore different dresses given by rich family. See, dear students, she was a poor, we no doubt. She also wears dresses given by other rich people or rich family. She feared that one day all the girls would be fed of Wanda. She has a fear that one day everybody will fed up Wanda, and she would become the next target. That means she has also a feeling that one day everybody will turn towards her. Why? Because they have no another person to play fun at them, or at him or her. Now you can see the drawing also, it is given 100 dresses, not 100 dresses, but then just for example you can see here, Medai's notes not to Peggy about Wanda. One day Medai decided to write to Peggy. This girl decided to write Peggy. Why? Because she did not want to, she did not have dared to talk to her about the insult, she does. Ask her not to tease Wanda anymore. She wanted to write a letter, and she wants to describe in the letter itself that do not, or you should not tease Wanda in such a way that she always has to be insulted. Later she tore it up, and thinking that she might be angry with her and would tease her. See, dear students, she has a fear of losing her friendship, and therefore she did not hand over that letter to Peggy, and anyhow she tore it. She thought about Wanda's discomfort. She thought about how Wanda had described her blue and green velvet dress with each little detail, and her thoughts got diverted to upcoming drawing content. Okay, so the drawing is being held in the classroom, and she is going to describe she is going to keep in mind every little thing about the dresses, and she would describe. The drawing competition, now drawing competition is going to take place for the classroom. All the girls and boys, they are eager to eager to participate for the drawing competition. Next day it was a drizzling. Drizzling means raining lightly, not a very heavy rain, but then lightly. That particular type of rain is known as drizzling. Peggy and Medai did not want to be late. Why? Because they are good at drawing, and they did not want to get late for this particular competition. So they did not want to wait for Wanda to tease her. That particular day, they did not want to tease anyone, they did not want to hurt anyone, so they straight away went to the classroom. There was a drawing competition for everyone in the class, okay, for everyone, boys and girls. Boys had to draw a motorboat and girls a dress. These two themes were given to boys and girls. So for the boys it was a motorboat, and for girls it was dress. Everybody thought of Peggy to win, as she drew really well. Every time when there is a drawing competition kept or drawing competition held in the classroom, she used to do well. She used to win all the time. Therefore, everybody expected Peggy to win the first prize. The next say Miss Mason announced the winner. Now this is the time where they are going to announce a result of drawing competition. So Miss Mason was the class teacher for this Medai, and then Peggy and Wanda, the boys. She was there as a class teacher. Everybody drew beautifully in bright color, no doubt. Everybody did well. It was so attractive, beautifully they have done. The class assembled, the class, of course class means whole class assembled in the classroom. Class teacher Miss Mason announced the winners of the drawing contest. Winners of the drawing contest was announced. Jack Baglis was the winner among the boys. This boy was winner among the boys, whereas Wanda was the winner among the girls. It was surprised for everybody. It was surprise and a shocking and astonishment for everyone, that everybody, especially the judges, were immensely impressed by the drawing, and each of her drawing was capable of winning the contest individually. Each of the drawing, it means every dress of the drawing was capable of winning the contest individually. If judges, they judged each drawing of Wanda drew dresses. It was really good, looking attractive, and also capable of winning the contest individually. Not all together, they did not put all together to declare the result, but then they judged individually each and every dress. It was drew in a such way that they were impressed looking at the dresses. But Wanda was absent that day. It was unfortunate, we can say that Wanda was unfortunately absent on that particular day. Miss Mason showed her drawing to all the students. She could not control herself, this class teacher Miss Mason, and she showed all the drawings of Wanda to whole classroom, okay, to every students. Dear students, the next point says her classmates' reaction. At this point of time, what was the reaction of classmates? That is what we are going to study here. Everyone in the class clapped for Wanda in joy. This girl, poor girl, did well because she was separated. We can't say she was separated, but then she comes from poor background, poor family. She did not have the facilities as other students are having. Apart from this, she did so well and beautifully. They found that all dresses she used to describe were there. She used to describe throughout the session, or whenever there is a time, or there was time, other girls and other students, they asked her, she used to describe dresses, colors, dresses, so many things she said about the dresses. The green velvet one, the blue one and the red one also. The boys whistled, they whistled with the fingers in the mouth. Peggy said that she had thought she could draw the same like Wanda. Peggy also thought at that point of time that she thought she would, or she had draw same type of drawing. Dear students, we know we are going to complete this lesson. We have completed already. I have said a few questions for you, but before that we need to understand the concept of this lesson. There are times when we feel bad, when we do not able to compete with others. Do we have feeling? Do we have the negative feeling where we fail to understand our capability, the potentiality we have? We do not want to disclose, or sometimes because this Wanda, she comes from poor family or poor background, therefore she wanted to hide all the time. She did not want to reveal or disclose the things. But we need to support others, we need to help others, so that poor students, they can come up and they can also compete with us. A few questions, let us understand. How do we behave with the students, those who are not up to date? Up to date, it means those who are not having the facilities as we are having. So how do we behave? Do we discriminate, or we have some type of prejudice towards them? In terms of uniforms, yes, in terms of uniform or background, class, caste, customs and religion, this all terms we need to keep in our mind, and we try to behave, we can say partly, or we can say totally well we can behave in the class. Second question says, do we like and see everybody as they are or differently? There also we need to think over this question. Sometimes we think others differently. Differently, it means like rich and poor, middle, this type of thinking we carry along with us. Answer it in your own language. With this we have completed, dear student. Thank you very much.